Hey guys, Marty Boots here. Today I just want to bring you a video on a potential leading indicator on Bitcoin that I have not seen anybody or any analyst or anybody on Twitter or anybody on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube or anything. I've not seen anybody talk about this, and I want to bring it to your attention. And I believe it could be very important in possibly guiding us to the future Bitcoin prices. So this is what I'm looking at here, guys. This is the XHB Home Builders ETF, and this is Bitcoin. So, you can see here just straight off the bat about the big run up we had, and the big drop, and then the descending triangle, exactly the same as Bitcoin. And then we had the breakout, and we had the breakout in Bitcoin. But I want to start here, guys, with talking about the tops and bottoms. The tops and bottoms on both of these are remarkable. You can see here that we topped out on the 22nd of January, and we topped out on Bitcoin on the 11th of December. And on the bottom was on the 24th of December, and the bottom was on the 17th of December. But if you actually look at this, the first bottom was really in the middle of October, which is 6 weeks prior to the Bitcoin bottom. And also, if you look at the breakdown out of the triangle, was on the 24th of September, and the Bitcoin breakout of the descending triangle was the 12th of November. That again is 6 weeks before, or 6 weeks after. So essentially, the XHB Home Builders ETF at the moment is leading Bitcoin by about 6 weeks. Also, if you count back about six or 7 weeks back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 or 7 weeks, we're down into this range, we're into the top of the previous range. And if I zoom in here, if this is 6 weeks in advance, we are here. Even last week, we are into the top of the range, just like we were 6 weeks ago on the Home Builders ETF. And just let me delete these, just to give you a clearer picture, so there's no interruptions in your view. Now, you can see here when we dropped here on the XHB, we bounced, we consolidated, and then we dropped. Now again here on Bitcoin, when we bottomed, we bounced, we consolidated, and then we dropped. Now the XHB did drop to new lows, and Bitcoin did not. But I believe this is because of the 200 support of the 200 weekly moving average, and the EMA is down below it here in the pink. So I believe this is why we did not go to new lows, because of this support. Now, if this is a leading indicator, this is telling us that Bitcoin is going to continue higher into the resistance of the descending triangle trend line, just like it did here on the XHB ETF. And you can see now it's getting resistance. So I do not know why there is such a resemblance in the both charts. There's a possibility it is something to do with the dollar. It also could potentially be something to do with interest rates. And the third thing that comes to mind is that as the economy topped out and rolled over, there is less money in people's pockets to be buying houses or to be buying Bitcoin. There is less disposable or expendable income, in buying houses, and also in for buying Bitcoin. So there are three factors that probably maybe all linked together to play a part. So if I look at this, and this is the home construction index, and the only reason I'm using this is because the XHB does not have the full data. The chart stops back here at 2006, I think it is. So this index is very, very similar. And you can see here we had the big run up, we had the drop, we had the bounce into the 20 green 20 monthly moving average, and then we had the drop into the financial crisis. And very similar here, we had the big run up, we had the drop, now we're having the bounce into the 20 monthly moving average. And if any of you guys understand the housing market at the moment, the housing market has topped out, and most likely topped out, and prices are already dropping, interest rates are rising, and all the rest. So if the property has topped out, this is going to roll over and go to new lows. Now, if you're in our Discord group, you would know that my targets here for Bitcoin is 4,400, and my second target is 5,200. So in between those, my two targets is this line of the descending triangle trend line. So that is potential targets, and we need to be aware that if this is a leading indicator on Bitcoin, price is going to move higher into this trend line. So I think it's very important, guys, and I think you need to put the XHB ETF on your watch list, and also put the home construction index on your watch list. And this will give us clues in the future of where Bitcoin is going to go. We can watch to see if this is going to top out here and maybe come back down and possibly go to new lows, as at the moment it is a 6-week leading indicator on Bitcoin. So anyway, guys, that's for the video today. That's it for the video. If you'd like to join our free Discord group, we have paid alert services in there that we provide to you for free from other groups. And also there's a lot of good traders in there who can help you with your trading and give you some analysis and help. And there's also lots of alerts and stuff in there. And also please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.